Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to create a slicer in Excel so you can filter data with one click instead of digging through menus. First, make sure your data has headers at the top. Slicers only work with tables or pivot tables. So first, we'll turn the data into a table. Click anywhere inside your data. Then, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. A Create Table box appears. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked. Click OK. Your data is now a table. Next, click anywhere inside the table. Now look at the top menu and click the Table Design tab. On the right side, click Insert Slicer. A box appears showing all column headers. Click the column you want to filter. For example, click Status or Category. Then click OK. The slicer appears on your screen. Now click any button inside the slicer. The table filters instantly. Click another value to switch the filter. To clear the filter, click the Clear Filter icon at the top of the slicer. You can move the slicer by clicking and dragging it. You can resize it by dragging the corners. To change how it looks, click the slicer. Then click the Slicer tab at the top. Choose a style you like. This makes your data easier to explore and understand. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.